Windows is a state-of-the-art point-and-click operating system. It provides graphical user interface that represents files, folders, programs, and other services as icons. Microsoft introduced different versions of Windows. The operating systems for desktop computers include a series of operating systems. These are Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows Millennium Edition, and Windows XP. Operating systems for server computers include Windows NT, Windows 2000 Server, Windows 2000 Advanced Server. Some common features of Windows operating systems are support for large memory to execute complex software, multitasking feature to work on more than one program at a time, communication support, support for plug-and-place devices, FAT32 that allows access up to 2 terabytes of hard disk space, and a range of other features. The server family of Windows operating systems has additional features like user and resource management, strong security features, web server support, NTFS file system, and other range of features. To learn basic concepts of Windows, we will use Windows 2000 Professional Operating System. The environment of Windows 2000 Professional has similar look and feel as other Windows operating systems. The basic concepts are applicable to all graphical user environments with few variations.
You should shut down your system before turning off the computer. Operating system updates and closes any files that were in use. Select Shutdown from the Start menu. A dialog box appears that shows different options. You can log off to close your current session. You can select Shutdown option to save Windows settings and any unsaved data to the hard disk. It then turns off your computer automatically or prompts you to switch off the power. You can select Restart to save Windows settings and any unsaved data to the hard disk. It then restarts the computer. You can select Standby option to place your computer on standby mode. That means your computer will not be turned off completely. After selecting an option, select OK to proceed or click Cancel to return to Windows. Now, let us start to learn about Windows environment. The main screen in Windows is referred to as desktop. It contains some icons. Icons are pictorial representation of programs, documents, and other Windows applications. You can point to an icon and click left mouse button to select it or double-click on it to execute it. When an icon is opened, it is placed in an application window. Typical Windows icons include My Computer, My Documents, Network Neighborhood, and Recycle Bin. My Computer application is used to view, access, and manage hard disks, floppy diskette, files, and folders. My Documents folder contains most often used documents. Network Neighborhood is used to access resources across the network. Recycle Bin stores recently deleted files. These are available until you empty the recycle bin. You can open it and restore the selected files. Now we will create a file and then learn to copy it. Double-click on the 3422 folder, select File menu and select New. Then select Text Document. A notepad file will be created. Type First Assignment as its name and press the Enter key. The file name has two parts, that is file name and its extension. By default, the extension of the file is not visible in the Explorer window. Windows provides file extension automatically for files of all installed application programs. You need not to specify the extension. To copy the selected file, select Edit menu and select Copy. To make a duplicate copy of this file, you can select Edit menu and Paste command. The copy of this file will be saved in the same folder with a new name. This is because the file names in the same folder cannot be the same. You can copy this file to desktop by using right mouse button and selecting Paste command. You can use right-click on the file to open a pop-up menu. Select Send to command and select Floppy drive to make a copy on floppy diskette.
To delete a file or folder, you can select the file or folder and press Delete key. This will show you a confirmation dialog box before sending the file to Recycle Bin folder on the desktop. If you accidentally deleted a file, you can restore it from the Recycle Bin. It will be restored in the folder from where it was deleted. If you deleted a file from Recycle Bin, you won't be able to restore it. Yellow boxes in Windows environment represent folders. These store related files, applications, and other subfolders. My Documents is a special folder on the desktop. It holds recently used or created files and folders. Open My Computer to show contents of your computer. Double-click on C drive to see different folders on your hard disk. Some of the important folders include Windows, program files, and temp folders. In addition to these folders, you can create your own folders on this drive. For example, you can create a folder to store your assignments for course code 3422. Select File menu, select New, and select Folder. This will create a new folder and name it New Folder. You can change the name of the folder to 3422. The name of folder can be from 1 character to 255 characters, and it can also contain spaces. You cannot use /, a less than sign, a pipe symbol, and few other symbols for folder names. If you used any symbol that is not allowed for the folder names in Windows, it will display an error dialog. You can then